In this video, I'm going to show the demo of this application drawing properties update. This application will give you an option to change the text dimension, part mark, bold mark, and view properties. It will give you the list of the properties saved in the system folder, form folder, project folder, and your model folder. So you can also see it here, and then the bold mark. Now, just one example, if you want to change the part mark and bold mark together, obviously we can use the view properties, but it will be time consuming when you double click and open and change it. And so that's the reason you can see this will help you a lot. Like I'm just selecting this part mark and bold mark. I just wanted to apply engineering profile settings for the part mark and bold for this. Now I'm selecting all these ones. When you select as an object, then you click select objects. So now you can see this has changed all this information here. And obviously I did not select the dimension. That's the reason this dimension is not changed. And if I'm going there and change this option to T standard, let me just tick off these two and keep this option on, select objects. And if you just wanted to apply this one to your particular view, what you can do is you can select this. And I'm not going to use this T standard. Maybe, for example, I'm taking this new standard 2, and let me just use the same one. This time I'm going to apply for the selected views. So here you can see the dimension style, right? And of course I did not select the bold mark and part mark. So now if I click selected view, so it will change the bold mark and part mark. So now you can also change the view scale and minimum cut part length. Maybe I'll show it in the GA drawing. Let me just close it and go back to another model. So this will be quite useful when you're just using it for precast drawing, where you just have to make a lot of changes. Let me just show it in the GA drawing, and then I'll come back to precast drawing. So I'm just double click and open this one. You see the list of properties here. So just for an example, I need the panel weight here. I select this one, and once I go and select all these and selected objects. So now here you can see it shows the panel weight. And suppose if I need panel profile, and then select objects. So here you can see it shows the panel profile. Let me just take a precast drawing. Oh, before I go, and you can also add a view name here. I'm selecting this. I'm just giving a name as section KK. I click the selected views. So here you can see it will automatically add the section name. So you don't have to go to the view properties and change it, and then it takes a lot of clicks and and also take a little bit of time. Now let me just apply this one to a cast unit drawing. This is my precast drawing. You can see there are a lot of dimensions. Suppose if I just wanted to change it, obviously that would take a lot of time for me. I changed this one to a normal dimension, and then again I go back and change this one to exaggerate. So you can see how easy you can choose the dimension style from the drop-down list, rather than going through the dimension properties or text properties or bold mark properties. So as I said, you could also change the text. So there you can see, just for an example, maybe let me just add a text here. Let me add a text now with leader line, and now I'm choosing N16, selecting this, select objects, that will automatically change the information. This is just an example. As I said, you could also change the view scale and minimum cut part length. Maybe I make this view scale to 30 and selected views. So there you can see. You could also add a minimum cut part length. Obviously, this is not for the panel, which I will do it, but you can add shortening values too. If you are interested in this application, as I demonstrated, this would be a huge time saving in the drawing sheet. Feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you for watching this video.